Getting in tune with Get in Tune, Mastering English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, get in tune. You might have heard it in songs, conversations, or movies, but what does it actually mean? Let's dive in and find out together. Remember, understanding idioms can really enhance your language skills and make your conversations sound more natural. Get in tune is an idiom that originally comes from the world of music. In music, being in tune means that an instrument is properly adjusted to produce the right notes. When we use get in tune in everyday English, it means to become harmonized or aligned with something or someone. This could be in terms of opinions, feelings, or actions. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a team, our new project requires all team members to get in tune with each other to ensure its success. 2. In personal relationships, it took a while, but I finally got in tune with my partner's sense of humor. 3. In work or business, the company is trying to get in tune with the latest technological advancements. In each of these examples, get in tune is about finding a common ground or understanding. While using get in tune, it's important to remember, it's mostly used in a figurative sense, not literally about music. Don't confuse it with tune in, which means to pay attention or start watching or listening to a broadcast. It's often used in the context of relationships, teamwork, or understanding trends. Let's practice. Try creating your own sentences using get in tune. Share them in the comments below and I'll provide feedback. This is a great way to enhance your fluency and feel more comfortable using English idioms. And that's a wrap on Get in Tune. Remember, idioms like this can add color and personality to your English. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in using Get in Tune in your conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.